Make sure to subscribe and click like on our YouTube channel. To purchase CrypticCoin on crypto exchanges, you first need to buy Bitcoin. Most exchanges only accept cryptocurrency as payments. Coinbase is an exchange that is compatible with your debit or credit card. Coinbase is not the only option you have. There are more options out there, but for now, we're using Coinbase. In this video, you will learn how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. In the following video, you will learn how to exchange your Bitcoin for CrypticCoin. Download the Coinbase app. It is available on the Apple and Google Store. You can also do this on the Coinbase website. To get started, create your account and add your payment information. You can pause this video and create your account now. Now that you have created your account, here is how to buy Bitcoin. Click on the Buy button. Enter the amount you would like to buy. Today I'm entering 50. Next, click on Preview Buy. If you are satisfied with the preview, you could click on Buy Now. Now that you have Bitcoin, in the next video I will show you how to exchange your Bitcoin for CrypticCoin.